Have you ever wondered how literature shapes the way we think about the world, about identity, power, culture, and society? Well, this course is designed to help you explore exactly that. I am Dr. Mohammed Shafeeq.
And I am Abdul Majeed. And welcome to the course Literary Theory, Foundations and Contemporary Perspectives.
The main content of the course include Russian formalism, structuralism, poststructuralism, Marxist literary theory, feminism, and post-colonial theory.
This is a 5-credit course which contains 50 modules to be completed in 10 weeks. Modules for learning are uploaded in the first 5 days of every week.
And each module includes objectives, summary, a glossary, frequently asked questions, quizzes, assignments, and reference materials.
So by the end of this course, you will not only be familiar with key thinkers and their concepts, but also develop the confidence to apply these theoretical principles in your own reading and analysis. So,
join us
and begin your journey into literary theory.